is gonna hurt you way more than it's gonna hurt me. People, wanna see you, my boy.